Have you ever marveled at the sight of a giant ship and pondered on its creation? It's a question that tickles the curiosity, isn't it? Today, we'll delve into the fascinating process of shipbuilding, a feat of engineering that combines design, material science, and a lot of human ingenuity. The first step in building a ship is conceptualizing its design. Engineers and designers work together to create a blueprint that serves as a guide throughout the construction process. The design must take into account the ship's intended use, whether it's for transporting goods across vast oceans or carrying passengers on luxurious cruises. Every detail, from the ship's size to its engine capacity, is meticulously planned during this phase. After the design phase, the process moves on to material procurement. Steel, the primary material used in shipbuilding, is acquired in large quantities, but it's not just any ordinary steel. We're talking about marine-grade steel, which is specially treated to resist corrosion from salty seawater. Other materials like aluminum and composite materials are also used, depending on the ship's design. Next, the ship's skeleton, or keel, is laid. The keel is the backbone of the ship, providing the structural base upon which the rest of the ship is built. This is an important milestone in the shipbuilding process, traditionally marked by a keel-laying ceremony. Once the keel is laid, the ship starts to take shape as steel plates and sections are welded together to form the hull. This process, known as block construction, involves building large blocks of the ship in a workshop before they are assembled in the dry dock. This method allows for parallel work, speeding up the construction process. After the hull is complete, it's time for launching. The ship, still a shell of its final form, is moved from the dry dock into the water for the first time. This is another significant event in the shipbuilding process, often celebrated with a ship launching ceremony. Following the launch, outfitting begins. This is where the ship gets its heart and soul. The engine, navigation systems, living quarters, and all other necessary equipment are installed. It's a complex process that requires careful coordination and precise workmanship. Finally, after months or even years of hard work, the ship undergoes sea trials. These are a series of tests conducted to verify the ship's seaworthiness and performance. Only after passing these rigorous tests can the ship be delivered to its owner and start its life at sea. In summary, shipbuilding is a complex step-by-step process that involves design, material procurement, keel laying, block construction, launching, outfitting, and sea trials. Each step is crucial and requires meticulous attention to detail. So, the next time you see a giant ship, remember the engineering marvel it represents, and the intricate process that brought it into existence.